sure he lives here?
Yes.
Damn it, this pollution is making my asthma worse.
You go home. I will take it from here.
Dad, when will we get there?
Well, if the fog clears up, then we should be there in half an hour. I can't see a damn thing due to this.
Dad, look out.
The rain. Troll accident. The rain.
Step 1. Get ready for another day at work. Step 2. Reach the factory.
When will this end?
Beware, the apocalypse is coming. Everyone take cover and hide yourselves.
The hell are you?
Step 3. Get inside the factory. Step 4. See a quarrel happening.
I'm telling you, we need to shut down these factories. The smoke is going to cause permanent, long-lasting complications for the whole population.
Who keeps letting this clown in every day? Throw this guy out already. Go away, old man. You won't change a thing. What are you guys looking at? Do your work already.
Sir,
What do you want?
it's important.
I'm coming. What is it?
Sir, according to our calculations, this city will be rendered inhospitable in just 5 years if we keep pumping smoke in the air. Furthermore, the presence of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in the air might even react with water and cause acid rain.
Acid rain? You're serious? It hasn't rained in Trollopolis in ages. And about the smoke, well, we will do something about it, but for now the profits are too high for us to stop our production. And besides that, if something like that happens, I have my bunker ready.
Step 5. Go home now. Your shift is over. Step 6. Have difficulty driving the car due to fog.
Damn it.
Step 7. Reach your home. Step 8. See your windows broken.
What the hell? A thief? Hey, get out. I have a weapon and I am not afraid to use it. Hey, what the hell, stop?
Step 9. The thief escaped.
He only stole some milk.
The apocalypse is going to be here soon. I can feel it.
Step 10. Another day at work.
was that?
Step 11. Hear a loud voice.
It's happening at last. The apocalypse, it's here to take us all.
What the hell is happening? Why isn't everyone working?
Sir, look up. It's about to rain.
May, nothing to be so worked up about. Tell everyone to get back inside the factory. Right now.
Step 12.
It has started to rain.
Step 13. Hide under a roof.
The hell?
Step 14. Wait for the rain to end.